In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect Mailchimp with QuickBooks Online so your customer contacts sync directly into Mailchimp and you can start using them for marketing right away. The whole process only takes a few minutes. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account and opening the integrations directory from your dashboard. Search for and select the Mailchimp for QuickBooks Online integration to open the setup page. Once you're there, choose the Mailchimp audience you want your QuickBooks customers to sync to. This is the list where all imported contacts will appear, so make sure you pick the correct audience. Next, choose the status for the contacts you're syncing. Subscribed contacts are customers who have agreed to receive your marketing emails, while unsubscribed contacts are people who haven't opted in. Select the option that matches your needs, then click the button to connect to QuickBooks. You'll be prompted to sign in with your QuickBooks Online ID and password. Enter your credentials and approve the connection. After a few seconds, you should see a success message confirming that your accounts are connected and your contacts are syncing. Once the sync is finished, open the Audience section in Mailchimp to review your imported contacts. On the Audience dashboard, you can scroll through recently updated contacts, and you can also view them by tags to see how your QuickBooks customers were organized inside Mailchimp. Now your accounts are fully connected and you're ready to use segments and automations based on your QuickBooks data. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and check the description for related guides.